All living organisms tend to change their position or move as an attempt in response to the change in their environment to their advantage or protection. Anything or change in the environment that causes an organism to react is called stimulus, and the reaction or action of organism in reply of the stimulus is called a response. Some common stimuli are light, sound, heat, taste, smell, water, gravity, and air. The response to stimuli is a characteristic property of the living organisms. Animals can react to stimuli with the help of nervous system and endocrine system. Plants can react to stimuli only with the help of endocrine system. Control and coordination in simple multicellular organisms take place through only the nervous system. Control and coordination in higher animals, including human beings, takes place through nervous system as well as the endocrine system. Now, the nervous system coordinates the activities of a body. It's the control system for all our actions, thinking and behavior, and the structure and the functional unit of the nervous system is a neuron. The nervous system consists of the central nervous system, which consists of brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system consisting of all the nerves of the body. Now, this is the structure of a neuron. It has a cell body. The cell body consists of cytoplasm and nucleus. Dendrites. Dendrites stretch out from the cell body of a neuron and is the shortest fiber on the cell body. The axon is the longest fiber on the cell body of a neuron and has an insulating and protective sheath of myelin around it. And a synapse. It is the microscopic gap between a pair of adjacent neurons over which nerve impulses pass when growing from one neuron to the other. Brain is the part of the central nervous system and consists of a forebrain, midbrain, and a hindbrain. Cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, is present in the forebrain. It is the main thinking part of the brain. It has different areas for performing different functions. It also has sensory areas where information is received from the sense organs and gives the body the sensation of feeling. It also coordinates all the voluntary actions of the body. Cerebellum of the hindbrain helps in maintaining posture and balance of the body. It also enables the body to make precise and accurate movements. Medulla of hindbrain controls various involuntary actions such as heartbeat, breathing, blood pressure, and peristaltic movements. It is also the controlling center for reflexes such as swallowing, coughing, sneezing, secretion of saliva, and vomiting. Pons of hindbrain lies above the medulla and it takes part in regulating respiration. Midbrain controls reflex movements of the head, trunk, and neck in response to visual and auditory stimuli. The spinal cord is also a part of the central nervous system. It is a cylindrical structure. It begins in continuation with medulla and extends downwards. It is enclosed in a bony cage called vertebral column. Spinal cord is surrounded by membranes called meninges. It is a source of 31 pairs of nerves. The spinal cord is concerned with spinal reflex actions and the conduction of nerve impulses to and fro from the brain. Peripheral nervous system is the lateral part of the nervous system that develops from central nervous system, connecting different parts of the body with the same. With the help of peripheral nerves, we are able to carry out voluntary and involuntary actions. Voluntary peripheral nervous system, also called the somatic nervous system. This is under the control of our will. It consists of cranial nerves from brain and spinal nerves from spinal cord. Autonomic nervous system. The autonomic part of a peripheral nervous system ensures that all our internal organs and glands function smoothly. Our autonomic nervous system has two parts, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. Both supply essentially the same organs but cause opposite effects. This is because the activating chemicals or neurotransmitters are different. For example, sympathetic nerves system causes constriction of peripheral blood vessels, dilation of pupils, increased blood supply to heart, whereas parasympathetic nervous system causes dilation of peripheral blood vessels, constriction of pupils, reduces heartbeat, etc. Students, you can also check out other science lessons through the links given on the screen. Thank you, children.